Now for the beating heart. The 937cc Testastretta 11-degree twin engine. This liquid-cooled mill runs in what most Americans would call a 90-degree V, and it sports Ducati's signature Desmodromic valvetrain that actuates the 4 valve heads with push-open and pull-closed cams that preclude the need for valve springs and eliminate valve float at high RPMs. The 11 degrees refers to amount of crankshaft rotation that occurs during valve overlap, a feature that keeps emissions low and helps it meet Euro 4 requirements. Decidedly over square, the engine runs a 94mm bore and 67.5mm stroke. A pair of 53mm throttle bodies meters the induction via ride-by-wire control that provides the rider with the option of using 3 separate engine mappings for varied conditions and riding styles. Set to the hottest profile, the mill delivers its full horsepower with a sporty throttle response. In the middle setting, full horsepower is still on tap, but with a progressive delivery that keeps things somewhat relaxed. At the bottom of the scale, power is limited to 75 ponies with a progressive power curve for urban environs and conditions with less than stellar traction.